Gold is expected to drop to 2027. um Check my 3K auto support and resistance 5 minutes time frame. I'm a scalper. You see there is a resistance, no, there is a support, not resistance, there's a support at 2027.04. That's where the support is. I'm expecting a drop on gold, more drop. Okay, let's check H1. H1 is a downtrend with this resistance here. Let's check H4. Okay, you see all these you see this zone. This is where the sell came from. The sell, this zone powering the sell. Okay, let's go back to 15 minutes and let's turn this thing this way. Okay, let's minimize this. Okay, let's get a trend line drawn. Let's get this market structure. So you see how I draw my trend line. So I'm expecting gold to drop to this trend line. Either gold drops to this trend line, or here can be my TP2, but I'm not using TP2. I just want to take TP1 and I'm done. So I'll set my take profit here, and my SL. Okay, let me get my SL. My SL should be 2037. 20 at 2030, above the previous resistance, which is 2037. Okay, so I should. Oh, sorry guys. Let me put my SL here. So I've set my exits and I've set my exit point, and let's relax on news, fundamental analysis, news that can strengthen USD to bring gold down. Okay, so back to my chart. Okay, you can see what gold is doing. You can see this candle went up, came down to let's check. Okay, so that should mean that there is a resistance here. Yeah, there's a zone here. There is a zone here. There is a zone here. There should be a zone here, and that zone is responsible. You see, this zone is a support for this 15 minutes time frame. This is a support. So, and these supports have turned into a resistance, which is a SBR. Support becomes resistance, and if I say support turned into a resistance, this is what I meant. Let me zoom in so you can see what's happened there. You see price came down here, bullish candle, tried to go up, this resisted it to this one tried to break it, and was good, got resisted, and start printing red candles until this one here that tried to still go up met that resistance and still came down. So we're expecting more sells to this my TP. Wow, boom 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 boom, come on. Just like I told you guys, I was expecting price to touch this support, which hit my TP1. I told you that price is still going to come to this trend line, and you see what happened, that gold touched the trend line and start buying. Okay, let's turn this thing this way, so that we can understand what I'm saying. Okay, you see what happened here. You see the trend line I draw. Just try to get a good trend line. You can understand market movement. You see this place, see this zone, follow my crosshair. You see this zone, and this is the next zone. So this trend line is acting right now as a support to gold trade. So gotten our TP1, and also if you have a TP2, it should be on this trend line. So you see, price is trying to buy, gold is trying to buy from this trend line. So that is it for now, and profits have been made. Thanks.